friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be cooking frozen chicken enchiladas from Trader Joe's in the air fryer. So I have a package of frozen enchiladas, frozen salad, no need to defrost. So let's open the air fryer. I'm going to open the enchiladas. And these are chicken enchiladas, but you can cook any kinds of enchiladas the same way. Now see, those enchiladas come in a paper dish, and even though in the package it says it's oven safe, I'm not so sure about the air fryer. I don't want to take a chance. I'd rather not put this paper in the air fryer. So I'm going to use my air fryer baking dish. This is a perfect size that fits in the air fryer. So I will move the enchiladas in my metal dish. So now let's take the frozen enchiladas in the dish and put it in the air fryer basket. And now we'll put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 18 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at our enchiladas. Perfectly cooked. They look so good. Now, if you want to be 100% sure they're completely cooked through, you can use an instant read thermometer. Check and make sure the internal temperature is at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. If yours is not cooked, you can always put it back in the air fryer for another few minutes. Mine is perfectly cooked, so now I'll remove it from the air fryer. So here is my enchilada. So they're crispy and brown on the outside and perfectly cooked on the inside. Now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying this enchilada. Look at that, so good. Perfectly cooked inside. That looks amazing. So delicious. You will love it. The top is so crunchy and the inside is soft and perfectly cooked. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!